So imagine if we had reviews on people, but they were written by the angels and they were certified by Allah, like a Yelp for malaika, for angels. And you could look that up before even dealing with someone. And on top of that, the inspection of the angels would be on the window of each person's home or on their business or wherever it is that you're going to deal with them. Now, if you remember, the Prophet ﷺ said, no one goes out from his house except that there are two banners in hand, one in the hand of an angel and the other in the hands of a devil. Verily, if a person goes out for a reason that Allah loves, then the angel will follow him with his banner and he will continue to be under the angel's banner until he returns home. And if he goes out for a reason that is displeasing to Allah, then a devil will follow him with his banner and he will continue to be under the banner of that devil until he returns home. But here, we don't see those banners. On the Day of Judgment, they are raised high for all of mankind to see.